Hi there, I'm going to show you how to create consistent children's books, character illustrations with AI. So for doing that, you can go to readingclub.ai, like this, as I have here in the navbar, readingclub.ai. And so you're going to see this app in which, for example, here we have that once upon a time in a small world full of wonder and magic, there lived a young girl named Lily. Lily had curly hair that sparkled like golden ribbons in the sunlight, and her eyes were the color of the clearest blue sky. She lived in a cozy cottage, nestled deep in the heart of a vibrant forest, surrounded by towering trees and brightly colored flowers. So that's how the story starts. As you can see, she was always with her favorite book in hand. And so with that book, she would set off on a journey, knowing that the secrets of the small world would soon unfold before her. So this is Lily, as you can see here. This is our character. I created these illustrations with AI within the same app. And so what's brilliant about this app is that once you create a paragraph like this, it's going to pick up the characters. So it's going to understand that Lily is a young girl with curly golden hair and clear blue eyes, eager to explore and discover. And so the appearance of Lily is small and dainty with copper-toned skin and freckles dotting her cheeks. Her eye color is clear blue like a cloudless sky, hair color, curly golden hair that seems to capture the sunlight. Distinguishing marks, and this is very important, a small birthright shaped like a leaf on her right wrist. And so other attributes like the height, the skin tone, and etc. The AI picks up this for you and fills out all of these attributes, which are going to help create consistent character illustrations, as you can see here. So let's try it. I generate illustration. I type / to pick up the command, and then I click on generate illustration. Oh, it's learning about other characters. That's interesting. So as you can see here, it's creating one of the characters, Bella, for example. So it's not going to be all about Lily, apparently. Or it could be, because what the AI does is that it tries to understand the story, and if there's in this case it still chose Lily for the illustration, like the AI just tries to create characters if necessary, but if the illustration makes sense more with Lily, in this case Lily with books, starting her journey, vibrant forest, magical treehouse, then the AI is going to produce that illustration, because then that's the one that is relevant for this paragraph. Let's see. So here's Lily. As you can see, it's our character. The style might vary a bit at times, but that's pretty much Lily. I guess Bella appears later in the story, and so that's why it created the character for Bella as well. But as you can see, it's focused on Lily because this is the image that is relevant right now. Lily is starting her journey with a book in her hand. Let's create another illustration to prove the point. It's choosing the characters for the illustration. Right now it's going to try Lily surrounded by forest creatures in a magical treehouse. A cozy treehouse in an enchanted forest with talking animals. So we wait for a bit and let's see how consistent our illustration is, which is very important when you're creating a children's book. Let's see. We wait a bit. You may need to try a few times. I think this one is getting there, but I prefer to try again. So let's give it another shot. I can always get rid of the illustrations that I'm not satisfied with. It's learning about flowers now. Well, that's funny. Apparently the flowers are going to be now part of the story as well. That's okay. But Irsius chose Lily as the one for this illustration. Lily playing hide and seek with animals in a magical forest clearing. We wait for a bit. There you go. I like this illustration much better. So what I will do is that I get rid of this one, and then I have this one, which I think resembles the character that I want to try out to illustrate, right? So I welcome you to try out readingclub.ai. This product is only going to keep improving, and the illustrations are only going to get better. So start getting ahead and try these latest features that are very exciting. Thanks.